What is going on, guys, and welcome to Beamer League. Here we have 2026 BMW XM. Thanks to BMW of downtown Denver for the opportunity to bring this car onto the channel and let you guys see how freaking awesome this car is. I'm not gonna talk a whole lot of spec on this car because this is obviously, this car has every option BMW offers. This is an M on steroids. So every option you can imagine, it has it. The engine is the most powerful street legal engine BMW produces so far. With the electric motor, this V8 puts out 738 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque, guys. This thing is a rocket on wheels. Street legal rocket. Wait until you see the inside. So let me give you a full exterior walk around. Then we'll have a cold start, and then wait until you see the exterior, guys. It's crazy. So split headlight design. I actually don't mind it at all, but this grille, I love it. And this is the future, guys, these split headlights. This is the future, just it happens so that BMW does the future before anyone else. So 23-inch rims. Look how gigantic they are. I hope the camera really shows how huge these things are. But trust me, they are absolutely massive. So let me keep walking around the car. As you approach the car, XM badge for the pathway light. And this Dravit Gray metallic color is something special. It is amazing. It's gray, but it's dark enough so it looks really, really sleek. All right, let's make our way here in the back, and we're about to fire her up pretty soon here for a cold start. Thanks to BMW of Denver downtown, they allowed me to cold start this for you guys. Wasn't it so gnarly, guys? All right, so let's look at the trunk before we go and review the interior of this car. But very nice trunk space. The BMW folks put a bag in there for you to see. Very nice storage cover and very, very bright LED lights. Let's close this back up, and I'll give you the rear seat first, because that's where you really want to be. You're getting chauffeured around in this car for sure. This is absolutely beautiful. This is as premium as it gets for BMW lineup. Speakers, these things are concert level performance, guys. And then let's go inside. Look at this. And I have not seen this in life, guys. So this is the first time I've seen this, and it absolutely is absolutely sick. And this Alcantara soft to the touch too. It's amazing. Let's keep going, and then look at these limo-like seats. I don't have any other way to describe these, but look at this bench. S-Class. Finally, you have a competitor. I think XM does it better with this quality, guys. This is absolutely amazing. Before we hop in the front, guys, I want to show you this soft close doors, just like that. Again, these handles are amazing. Mirrors, of course, with the Carwow mirror test. This is for your electric motor. So this is a hybrid. This is where you charge it. XM logo. And before I hop in, actually, let me show you the size of these calipers. Absolutely massive, guys. Here's the undercarriage. And then as you approach the car, again, XM pathway lights up. And then let's hop inside. Look at these seats. My favorite seats from BMW were in the M5 F90, but these might have those seats beat. Just absolutely gorgeous. Everything is just so amazing to the touch, as you can imagine. Perfect quality, perfect interior. This car is simply perfect all around. Really like this. They changed up on the carbon fiber, so this one looks more like matte versus gloss. At least it feels very matte. At least it is fingerprint proof. I really like that. They're starting to go away from everything just glossy, because that leaves a lot of fingerprints. Steering wheel, typical M steering wheel, just beautiful. Don't fix what's not broken. The vents, I really like these, very futuristic like. So is here. Now, can't show you too much of infotainment because I don't want to make this video extremely long. But again, this car has everything. Everything your normal BMW has with the M package, and this is an M package on steroids. Alrighty guys, well, this will wrap up the video for this 2026 beautiful BMW XM. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video. Let's get this video out to the people that want to see it. Thank you so much again, and thanks again to BMW of downtown Denver. Till the next one. Peace.